Ladies and gentlemen, welcome. My name is Peter Olwach. I'm a stock market researcher and investor. I teach people about the stock market, telling them to save, invest, and grow wealth. Today's topic is this: avoid the enemy called average. Let me tell you one thing. The banks have been telling us that if you keep your money in the bank at 5%, 6% interest, that it is good. Ladies and gentlemen, it is not good. That is a financial suicide. Don't bank your money in the name of investing it in the fixed deposit account because the returns are high. There is nothing high there. According to Rule 72 by Lynn Shunas and other financial experts, at saving at 6% returns, you will save your money for 12 years for it to double, 1 million to double to 2 million, or 100,000 to double to 200,000. Don't do that. That is normal. What normal people do, don't do it. Do you know what else normal people do? Normal people take insurance, education policy to be precise, hoping that when your child reaches college or university, the child will have money. That is wrong. Doesn't work. My own sister took a education policy for her children to go to school. When it reached time for the secondary school, the inflation, the school fees was too high, and the policy she took was too small. Couldn't pay for the school fees. So, ladies and gentlemen, that is what normal people do. Don't do that. Do you know what other normal people do? They save money in the circle. Because the circle is offering 10% return. And this 10% return is very high according to them. According to Rule of 72, it will take you 7 years for your money to double. 7 years to double 200,000 to 400,000. 7 years to double 100,000 to 200,000. That is what normal people do. Those are average results. Average results is the enemy of great results. You will never achieve success saving your money in the circle, saving your money in the bank, saving your money in treasury bills, saving your money in the money market, or investing your money in the money market, investing your money in treasury bills, investing your money in the circle, investing your money in fixed deposit accounts. You need to invest your money in the stock market. Investing your money in the stock market will do you a lot of good because the stock market has the ability to grow money over time. Stock market, I'm promising people one thing in this channel, that you can make 100% return in the stock market. We are making 10% return per month, times 12 months. In 1 year, we have 100% return. It's a goal, it's a target, it's not easy. It is 10 times the normal returns. Avoid the enemy called average. Grant Cardone in his book 10 times average says this: taking normal action is the most dangerous of the levels because it is the most accepted by the society. The society will tell you put your money in fixed deposit account, put your money in the circle, put your money in the money market, put your money in the treasury bills. All those are dangerous ways. Don't do it. I'm telling you, put your money in the stock market. This level of action is authorized by the masses. And therefore, people who don't take action, normal action, don't draw necessary attention required to catapult them to success. So what do you need to do? Avoid normal action. We must do abnormal actions. And abnormal actions is what leads to abnormal results. Is what leads to great results. And this is what I'm doing in my Telegram group. If you're not in the Telegram group, join us on Telegram group. The link is below in the description. In the description and in the comment section. If you have not subscribed to this channel, subscribe. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And to my last question, which normal action are you doing with your money? Are you saving in the SACCO? If yes, which SACCO? Are you saving your money in fixed deposit account in a bank? Yes. If a bank, which bank? Leave a comment below in the comment box. Are you with a SACCO? Which SACCO? Give us your comments. Are you in the money, saving your money in the money market? Give us your comments. And why are you saving it in the SACCO? Why are you saving it in the bank? Why are you saving it in the money market? Give us your reasons in the comment box below. Thank you so much. Bye, and see you in the next video.